Most IT teams don't struggle because they lack skill. They struggle because they're overloaded. When your IT staff is constantly reacting, long-term planning gets pushed aside. If that sounds familiar, this video will help you spot when it's time for extra support without replacing your team. Internal IT teams juggle daily support tickets, system updates, and cybersecurity threats. When everything feels urgent, strategy is the first thing to disappear. Co-managed IT doesn't replace your staff. It works alongside them, sharing the workload, filling skill gaps, and keeping systems running smoothly so your team can focus on what matters most. Your IT team is stretched thin. Support tickets pile up. Password resets, onboarding requests, troubleshooting. There's no time left for improvements or planning. Over time, this leads to burnout, errors, and turnover. Co-managed support absorbs routine work and relieves that pressure. Important projects keep getting delayed. System upgrades, cloud migrations, security improvements. Your team is capable, there just aren't enough hours in the day. Skill gaps. Technology changes fast, and not every team has deep expertise in cloud management, compliance, or cybersecurity. Hiring specialists is expensive and slow. Co-managed IT gives you access to certified experts when you need them. Downtime or security incidents are becoming more common. Missed updates, delayed patches, slow response times. These issues hurt productivity and increase risk. A co-managed partner provides proactive monitoring and faster response to reduce disruptions. Strategic planning keeps getting delayed. IT roadmaps, budgets, system audits. When teams are stuck reacting, they can't plan ahead. Co-managed IT handles daily operations so your internal team can focus on long-term strategy. The best results come from balance. Your internal team understands the business. A co-managed partner brings extra tools, time, and expertise. Together, you reduce burnout, improve reliability, and support growth. If your IT team feels overwhelmed, behind schedule, or stretched beyond their skills, it may be time for support. Co-managed IT strengthens your team instead of replacing it. Speak to our team to see if co-managed IT is the right fit for your business. Thank you.